So guys, we have some good news to share with you coming out of the conservation circles in Kenya. So first of all, I would like you to introduce you to somebody. This man over here. And this man is called Dr. Alfred Mutua. And Dr. Alfred has just proposed a plan to reintroduce hunting into Kenya. Now he's taking a lot of fire from a lot of NGOs and a lot of conservation organizations, because of this. But here's the question, guys. So if we look at the ban of hunting in Kenya, which happened in 1977. In 1977, Kenya had about 275,000 elephants. They banned hunting, which caused a surge in poaching, and today they're proud to have 36,000 elephants, which is a recovery from the lowest point of 16,000. On the other hand, we've got Botswana, which has got a thriving hunting culture, and in 1977, they had just over 30,000 elephants, and they now have 150,000. So, yeah, Dr. Mutua, we support you. Go for it. Save our wildlife.